Your final project is in one place in this course where you'll stop briefing other people's arguments and start making your own. It's worth 150 points, and it asks one thing. Take a real current question in communication law and answer it in a way a professional would. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build it and exactly where the points are, so nothing about the grade will surprise you. Everything starts with a question, so spend real time here. A strong question is real, current, and narrow enough to actually answer. Is Section 230 good or bad? It's not a question. It's a dinner argument. After Gonzalez, should Section 230 shield a platform's recommendation algorithm when it pushes harmful content? Now that is a good question. Did you hear the difference? The second one names a live fight, points straight at doctrine, and could honestly come out either way. Your question is milestone 1. With your question in hand, you write a brief, about 2,500 words in IRAC order, with citations to primary law. IRAC is issue, rule, application, conclusion, the same structure you've been practicing all semester. Write it to be read by a professional, clear enough that a busy reader can follow your argument on the first pass. Now the part I want to emphasize, 2 things. Command of the law and analysis are each worth 45 points. That's 90 of your 150, and they're not the same skill. Command of the law means you use the authorities accurately, and you clearly understand the rules you cite. Get the holding right, get the year right. Never stretch a case to say something it doesn't say, because that is the fastest way to lose an expert reader. Analysis means you take the law and you run it against your own question until you reach a reasoned conclusion. This is where most projects bleed points, so I will be blunt here. Describing law is not analyzing it. If your paper reads like summaries of 5 cases stacked in a row, you've written a book report, not a project. Here's what analysis actually looks like. Say your question is about a platform algorithm. You state the rule from Section 230 and from Gonzalez. Then you say, here are the facts of my situation. Here's how a court applying that rule would likely treat them. Here is the strongest argument on each side. And here, for these reasons, I think is where it would come out. The last move, your reasoned answer, is the whole assignment. For research, the floor is 6 legal authorities and at least 3 scholarly or trade sources, chosen well and used well. This is milestone 2, your plan and sources. Read the actual opinions. Don't lean on someone else's summary. Every assigned case is free on Cornell LII, that is law.cornell.edu, and on OIAS at oyas.org. Trade sources means the places working professionals actually read, not the first link a search engine hands you. The last 20 points are writing, format, and citation. Professional, clear, in IRAC order, and properly cited. Read out loud before you submit. A project that's hard to read reads like a project you didn't quite finish. And let me save you from some mistakes that I see every single year. 1, the question is too broad, so the paper wanders and it never lands. 2, the paper describes instead of argues, so it never answers itself. And 3, the question is not really current, so nothing is actually at stake. Fix those 3 things and you're on your way to an A. A few logistics, your question was due back in milestone 1, so you already should have that in hand. If it's drifted, tighten it now. The project submitted through Canvas, never by email, and your closest ally on this assignment is the rubric. I suggest opening the rubric before you start, opening it again halfway through, and then one last time before you submit. If you can point to the sentence where you earn each row, you're ready to turn it in. This is the assignment where the whole semester comes together. The cases, the doctrine, and the way of thinking we've practiced since week 1. You've got this. You can email me, you can drop a line in the comments, or you can stop by my office hours. I am always happy to help.